833K ETH trapped in validator queue creates supply shortage, $4,500 breakout next. ETH. Ethereum. 833K ETH trapped in 14-day validator queue creates supply shortage as Fundstrat analysts predict $9,000 ETH by January 2026 using Wyckoff pattern analysis. Crypto journalist. Hassan. Crypto journalist. Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. September 4, 2025. Ethereum, ETH, faces a supply shortage as 833,141 ETH sit trapped in a 14-day staking queue, with more than 823,789 ETH waiting to exit. This imbalance means locked supply keeps growing, reducing ETH available for trading and creating upward price pressure. The massive 14-day backlog shows that staking demand far outpaces network capacity, which points to validators' confidence in ETH $4,500 breakout. Validator supply shortage prime ETH for $4,500 breakout. Since Ethereum shifted from proof of work, POW, to proof of stake, POS, staking activity has grown rapidly. However, the price impact wasn't immediate because macro conditions, Fed hikes, risk-off markets, overshadowed fundamentals. But since the Shanghai/Capella upgrade, April 2023, staking surged as new validators joined. ETH rose from $1,800 in April to $2,100 plus within weeks. Historically, validator supply shortages always result in bullish momentum in ETH price, which this time around could trigger the $4,500 Ethereum breakout to new all-time highs. For better context, in POS networks like Ethereum, validators replace miners who uphold the POW like in Bitcoin, and they do so by staking ETH to secure the network, validate transactions, and propose new blocks. In return, they earn staking rewards in ETH, meaning if they act dishonestly, they risk losing part of their stake. Slashing. Data from Glassnode also shows that ETH supply on exchanges continues to reach record lows as institutions like BlackRock and Fidelity, and treasury companies like Bitmine and SharpLink Gaming are stacking billions of Ether. Particularly from mid-July through August, ETH saw the largest accumulation in history as mega whales, 10K plus ETH, drove the rally with net inflows peaking at 2.2 M ETH, $10 billion. Moreover, Ethereum cost basis distribution, CBD, shows a clear divergence in spot flows between spot activity and the derivative market. Per the data, while there is spot demand in ETH, derivatives-led speculation has been moving price more than conviction-driven spot. Fundstrat analysis and Wyckoff pattern point to $9,000 ETH. Analysts at Altcoin Vector believe that what ETH needs to clear the $5,000 psychological resistance is renewed strong hand accumulation from mega whales, as well as the derivative market to generate impulse. Mike Zaccardi, financial analyst at Fundstrat Insights, also shared that ETH is cooling off in the last 10 days, but the overall consolidation looks constructive. In a chart shared with Fundstrat CIO Tom Lee, Zaccardi revealed a resurfacing Wyckoff accumulation pattern that formed when Ethereum did a 54x out of its last base, $90 $4,866. According to him, the current ETH rally is about to get wild because the bigger the base, the bigger the breakout. Similarly, Fundstrat head of technical strategy Mark Newton sees $9,000 ETH by January 2026, according to his implied ETH fair value based on the ETH/BTC ratio. Moreover, Bitmine chairman Tom Lee argues that the tailwinds of tokenizing and AI should propel ETH/BTC to ADH and beyond. In an X discussion with OpenAI's Sam Altman, where the AI founder talked about how LLMs are making social interaction dead, Lee added that Altman is revealing the urgent need for a proof of human in an increasingly agentic world. Lee asserts that ETH, being a decentralized blockchain network that can issue a unique identity for users, is at the center of the solution to the AI rot, among other possible solutions. This aligns with what Ethereum co-founder Joe Lubin recently revealed in his thesis that ETH will 100x from current price levels with the potential to flip Bitcoin's monetary base. Can ETH supply shortage push price above $4,680 resistance? On the technical front, the Ethereum 4H chart highlights a battle between a strong demand zone around $4,195 to $4,277 and overhead resistance near $4,680. Price is currently testing the mid-range at $4,345, with the RSI sitting at 41, reflecting weak momentum but not yet oversold. The structure suggests that as long as ETH holds the demand zone, buyers have a chance to drive a recovery. A reclaim above $4,400 would confirm strength and open the path toward $4,500 and ultimately the $4,680 resistance. However, a clean break below $4,195 would weaken the setup and risk deeper downside. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. New ChatGPT AI predicts the price of XRP, Avalanche and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. Perplexity AI predicts the price of XRP, World Liberty Financial and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Avalanche and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Gaming giant expands to XRP ledger. Shocking move to $10 starting now. Why is crypto down today? September 4, 2025. Price analysis. Leading AI Claude predicts the price of XRP, Memecore and Trump by the end of 2025. 2 days ago, by Ahmed Balaha. Press releases. Token 6900 is live and could be the next SPX 6900. Press releases. XRP price prediction. Expectations of a Fed rate cut could push Ripple's price up by $10. Insiders recommend fine mining's XRP contracts. Best crypto to buy now in September 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 1 day ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in September 2025. Top new crypto coins. 14 hours ago, by Inesis Tavares. 11 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 10 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in September 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 12 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 16 hours ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 6 days ago, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025, by Ben Beto.